Assalamu alaikum. I am Wasif Shaukat. Welcome to my channel WS Tech. Today we are going to learn how to add custom fonts to your Flutter project. Let's get started. I have created a simple project with a center text widget. First we download the custom fonts from internet to add to our project. To download custom fonts, link is in the description. You can use the link to download as many custom fonts you want. I am downloading the first one called Precious. You can download any one you want. Website provides you with the .zip file. Just extract it. Now copy the TTF file to your project. I have created a fonts directory. You can create it by right-clicking on your project name and then new and select directory. Name the directory and that's it. Now paste the file in the fonts directory. Now we have to add the custom font in pubspec.yaml file. In pubspec.yaml file, under the Flutter, we will add the fonts. Just type fonts, just add 2 spaces and then type fonts. Then add family name, then enter, then fonts, then asset folder. Name of the folder, file name and extension. In this case, fonts, precious.ttf. Now click on the pubget and we will customize the text widget by adding text style. In text style, we will add font family and we will use the name as we added in pubspec.yaml file. We will add the name in as a string. I'm adding font size also, it is optional. Now stop the project and rerun the project so it can access all the assets. As you can see, the fonts are applied and it is working. If you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Flutter tutorials.